Sunday.
Okay. Katrina and the waves would be my pick.
Okay.
Walking on sunshine.
Walking on sunshine.
Let's show you why.
Let's do it.
Let's go. In fact, as we take a look, and you know, Angelina can sing like an angel. Okay, so just let you know. We take a look at our Plant City tower cam, and we said this is Chamber of Commerce picture perfect weather, and we verify that, right? So there you go. In fact, we have Nick out there near Plant City, of course, in Dover, for the Hillsborough County Fair, and it should be a lot of fun today. We've got 64 degrees. We are walking on sunshine. Dew point of 43, which means lots of dry air in place. Not worried about rain anytime soon, but we will have these cool, crisp mornings and sunny, warm, pleasant afternoons in this kind of pattern. That's what that dew point's telling us. West Chase, you saw them just pop up to 61 degrees. Dunedin, 63. Yes, you're looking more beautiful than ever, Dunedin, and that includes your weather. 64 in MacDill Air Force Base, and we appreciate your military service. We expand the scope, okay? We'll head toward I-4 and off to the east. We've got 57 degrees, frost-proof at 62. So our big event today, of course, the Hillsborough County Fair. Looking a lot of fun. So there you go. There's Dover right here, and we've got temperatures in the 60s now. But by 1 o'clock, there's your high temperature of 81. 4 o'clock, a fair weather cumulus cloud, and 80 pleasant degrees. Now, nice on land, but we still have to be careful on the water. Okay, so as we look at our marine forecast, still a bit choppy out there. North winds at 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet. So a lot of folks are reeling in the king mackerel, but again, would come with a chop today. As the week goes on, though, we've got some much better fishing weather for you. Notice the Gulf temperature, though, has fallen to 69 degrees, UV index of 6. We take a look at our last 3 days. Well, we had low to mid 80s. Now, the next 3, I think, will be on the cooler side. We should be at 81 this time of year. Notice 80 today, 81 Monday, Tuesday, right about where we should be in the low 80s. And that's because we've got a very slow moving big ridge of high pressure, what we see so often in the fall season. So this is typical for us. And with it, a nice north wind continues to eventually shift off to the coast to the southeast. And once that happens, we'll start to heat up. But that won't occur until the middle and end of next week. So this will keep us high and dry. Think of this as our fair weather friend. All of your big fronts stay well to the north. So as we look at our Monday planner, just keep in mind, we said cool, crisp starts. Notice tomorrow morning, how about 56 degrees, mid-50s for Tampa, some 40s for the Nature Coast and north and northeast of town. And we take a look at tomorrow's highs back in the low 80s. But one thing we need in this forecast, it's rain. Well, next 5 days, we're not going to find any. But I did say I found a rainy map. So notice as we look at this week, high and dry. But notice the latest from NOAA and the Climate Prediction Center. We've got a big green arrow pointing right toward us. That's above normal rainfall. Now, just keep in mind the timeline on this would be not this week, but next week as we head into the middle of November. So once we turn that calendar to about November 13th and 14th, the game is on. Bring on the rain. But for this week, we're seizing the sunshine. We've got 80s to start, right around low 80s all the way through Tuesday. And then there's that much warmer weather by late week. Couldn't rule out, yes, I can't believe I'm saying this, Angelina, maybe back up near 90 degrees by Saturday.